Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this amazing chicken and sausage gumbo. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's go over the ingredients real quick. I already went ahead and seasoned my chicken and I'll show you how I did that in just a minute. I have some andouille sausage, chicken broth. I'll be using some okra, some diced tomatoes in the can. I have my holy trinity, which are celery, bell peppers, onions, and garlic. I have some flour, brown sugar, and for the seasonings, I'll be using some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, mushroom seasoning, and some gumbo filet. Now, Americans, please let me know in the comments if I pronounce that correctly. Gumbo filet. So for the chicken, I'm using chicken thighs and tenders, and to season I'll be adding some garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, black pepper, some paprika, and complete seasoning. So you want to add all of those to the chicken, and I went in with about a tablespoon of my fresh green seasoning and just mix well to combine. If you don't have green seasoning, you can omit it. It's no big deal. The chicken was already washed, and yeah, I just seasoned it and allow it to sit for about an hour or two. So to a preheated pot with some oil, I'll start by, just searing off my sausage first. We'll allow them to brown on both sides. Once it's done, we'll remove and set aside. Now to the same pot, we'll go ahead and cook our chicken. You just want to sear them on both sides, adding a few pieces at a time. And you don't want to cook them all the way through now because we'll cook them some more later. So once they're brown on one side, give them a flip, let them brown on the other side, then remove and set aside. And what I like to do is while the next batch is cooking, I go ahead and cut these up into bite sizes. Next, we will add a little oil to the same pot, and we will add a little bacon fat or bacon grease. This adds magnificent flavor to the dish. If you don't have this, you can add butter or a little extra oil. Then we'll follow up with our flour. You want to stir this consistently until it transitions over to a chocolate brown color. That chocolate brown color is what adds the color and the nutty flavor to this dish. So you want to keep stirring and you will start to see it transitions to like a beige, looking color, and then it will start to get super brown. And the brown chocolate color is exactly what you want for this dish. Once it reaches this color, you want to now add your holy trinity. Give that a good stir and allow to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the veggies have cooked down nicely, this is when you want to add your canned tomatoes. Give that a stir, and then we'll follow up with our liquid. You want to add your chicken broth. You could also add plain water if you like, but make sure that you season it nicely and it suits your preference. Once that is added, we will then go in with our seasoning, of course, to make sure that we season and flavor this up well. And I like to add a little sugar just for balance. It does not make it sweet. It just balances everything out really well, and it's absolutely amazing. You give that a stir again. You also add your gumbo filet. You see me just add it there, and you give that a stir and allow everything to come up to a simmer before we move on to the next step. Once it comes up to a simmer, we will now add our chicken in there. Like I said, you want to make sure you cut the chicken up into bite sizes. Give it a stir, cover, and reduce your heat to medium low and allow this to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So this here is basically done, but the last thing you want to add is your sausage and the okra. Cover and let those simmer for about 5 minutes. It doesn't take a long time to cook. After 5 minutes, that's basically it, guys. You're all done. You can get ready to plate and enjoy this. And this here is basically done. Now we can turn our heat off and enjoy. Like I said, this is super flavorful and delicious, guys. Absolutely amazing. You will enjoy this when you give it a try. If you can't eat seafood, shrimp, crab, and all that stuff, this here is the perfect option. It was even more flavorful in my opinion. So yeah, I will now plate it up and show you guys the finished product. Here you have it, my version of chicken and sausage gumbo. I paired it with some white rice and I enjoyed it. It was the perfect comfort food. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.